Great day to you, childcare business owners and leaders. It's Francis with Serving Success in Childcare, and we are continuing with our childcare marketing and promoting strategy series. Today, we're up to number 10 of the 14, which is financial planning. And we're about to uncover the secrets to financial planning that will not only keep your childcare business thriving, but also supercharge your marketing and promotion efforts. So go ahead and grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss this. First, let's talk about budgeting and expense management. To ensure your childcare business's financial success, you need to create a rock-solid budget. This isn't just about keeping the lights on. It's about allocating resources efficiently to invest in the growth of your business. Review your expenses regularly and find opportunities to cut costs or reallocate resources. The key here is to be smart with your spending so you can put your hard-earned dollars where they'll make the most impact. Now, let's talk about income diversification. It's time to think beyond traditional childcare services and discover new income streams. Offering after-school programs, summer camps, or educational workshops can make a significant difference in your bottom line. But don't stop there. Consider strategic partnerships with local schools, businesses, and organizations. Collaboration can bring in additional revenue and strengthen your community presence. Lastly, let's dive into financial planning and contingency plans. Setting clear financial goals and creating a roadmap to achieve them is essential. It's like having a treasure map leading to your childcare business's success. But we all know life can throw us curveballs. That's why you need a contingency plan. It's your financial safety net for unexpected challenges. By monitoring and assessing your finances regularly, you'll be well prepared for any storm that comes your way. Are you intrigued? Good. We're here to support your journey. We're offering a free download of a financial analysis form and a contingency plan. Just click the link in the bio or description and let's make your childcare business shine. Take action now and watch your childcare business not only survive, but thrive. Financial planning is the secret sauce to your success. Don't wait. Get started today. Thank you so much for joining me, and stay tuned for more valuable insights to help your childcare business reach new heights. Until next time, remember, when you serve well, success follows.